today we are under the law on the verge of the 54th day. Tomorrow onwards.
54th day to what?
To 8th of February, my lord.
Achha,
the day.
I hope you're having elections on the 8th.
We are trying our best, your lordship. That's why we have come before this honorable court.
So what has happened?
Your lordship, may I take your lordships to page?
You are not certain why you are using the word trying.
No, my lord. This is just a phraseology, but we are going to hold. That is why we are before this honorable court as of urgency. Today is the 55th day, which is almost exhausted.
And if I miss my flight, how will you compensate me? We are here to serve.
My lord, I'm grateful and I apologize for this intervention at outside the court hours. Your lordship, what had happened is the petitioner before the High Court filed a petition challenging the appointment of ROs, AROs and DROs.
Who's the petitioner before the High Court?
He was Barrister Umair Khan Niazi. He says he's an advocate, but says he's a general secretary of one political party.
Which political party?
It's Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. It's in the para 2 of page 16 of the petition.
No, but has he filed it in the capacity of a political party or has he filed it in his personal capacity?
It's in his personal capacity because it says the petitioner is a barrister and advocate.
And what has happened? The High Court has passed an order?
It actually passed an order on...
Where is that order?
It's at page 10 of my lord.
10.
Page 10 of the...
He writes he's the additional secretary general.
Let me take your lordships to the...
He is what?
He's the additional secretary general of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf.
That's what he has described himself as, but he has filed the petition in his personal capacity.
No. Read paragraph 2.
Tehreek-e-Pakistan.
The Honorable President of Pakistan...
No, the paragraph 2 of his petition.
The petitioner is a barrister advocate practicing in High Courts. He is an additional Secretary General of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf.
Tehreek-e-Pakistan likha hua hai yahan.
Tehreek-e-Pakistan.
Tehreek-e-Pakistan likha hua, probably there is a typo, but he is the...
Typo?
Ye padhte rahe.
And focal person on legal affairs to chairman of League Party. He was president of Insaf Lawyers Forum of Pakistan from 2020 to 2022. He was president of Islam.
Which political party is Insaf Lawyers Forum?
PTI, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf.
So I think then it's a typographical.
It's a typo, probably a typo. Lawyers Forums
in paragraph 5,
it talks about.
Paragraph 5 it says Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf.
Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf is a
So what does he want?
He has actually challenged the vires of section 50 and 51 of the Elections Act, which allow the Election Commission of Pakistan to appoint DROs, AROs and ROs.
On what ground?
And he says that it is violative of Article 220 and 218 of the Constitution.
Can we read these?
Let me take your lordships to sections 50 and 51, my lord. Section 50 of the Election Act, Chapter 5, Conduct of Elections to the Assemblies, my lord.
Before that, I think I should make a clarification, rather share information. As you know, there's a committee constituted now under the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act of 2023. So your petition got delayed a bit because the committee had to convene, because now I cannot fix a case without the consent. So I had proposed the senior most judges, but I think Justice Ijazul Hasan had some other commitment. So he did not want to be part of it, but he approved the constitution. It's a unanimous, this bench is unanimously constituted. And the next senior judge, was Justice Mansoor Ali Shah, who is available. Actually, he had gone home, but he had to be, we requested him to please come.
I live life for Justice Mansoor's. Section 50,
nowadays is an age of transparency, accountability, and sharing of information.
Section 50, my lord. It's appointment of district returning officers. For election to an assembly, the commission shall, in the prescribed manner, appoint a district returning officer for each district or a specified area A from amongst its own officers subject to availability. B, by selection from a list of officers. B, पहली प्रायोरिटी हमारे अपने ऑफिसर्स की है जी, if available. B, by selection from a list of officers provided by the government. The government has to provide. Provided by the government or a provincial government. Or C, from the subordinate judiciary in consultation with the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court. Number 2, subject to the superintendent's direction and control. I'll just skip 2 because it says the DRO will work under the supervision and control of the election commission. I'll take your lordship to section 51.
So which provision has been attacked?
1, 51 and 51 ka 1.
So who to be appointed? What do they suggest?
They say that the appointment should be from the judicial officers.
No, but that's not challenging the Viris. They're saying one of the options. आप कह रहे हैं Viris challenge.
जी, Viris challenge की और उन्होंने ये ground किया जी कि because Article 218(3) requires free and fair election.
Right.
Yes.
This is what our contention is. That even the impugned order does not mention even a single ground why there should be a suspension of the ARO's or DRO's notification by referring to a single constitutional provision which section 50 and 51 is ultra wise of.
Sorry.
My lord.
We are a bit tired and just take us step by step. First of all, what's wrong with this provision? If it is removed, what do they want? What does this petitioner want?
Let me take your lordship through the prayer.
What you're saying is, उन्होंने इस सेक्शन को चैलेंज किया है कि 2183 के ग्राउंड पे कि फेयर इलेक्शंस होने चाहिए और इस प्रोविजन में कौन सी चीज है जो फेयर इलेक्शंस के रास्ते में आती?
They are saying that the appointment from executive will hamper the fairness of the election.
वो प्रोविजन अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं. All times to come.
Yes, this is what they have challenged it on.
For all times to come.
जरा प्रेयर
ये जुडिशरी से होना चाहिए. Let me take your lordship to the prayer.
प्रेयर पढ़िए जरा, उसमें क्लियर हो जाएगा. जरा पढ़ें. हम मुकम्मल कह रहे हैं कि उनको खत्म किया जाए.
ठीक, वो कह रहे हैं कि सेक्शन 50 and 51 is ultra wise. It's at page 25.
Please bear with us. Because usually we read petitions before we come to court.
Ji, my lord.
This is a time when we've not read it. Because
I understand.
Ji.
It's at page 25, my lord.
Ji.
And the prayer starts at the bottom.
Ji.
In view of the grounds and facts explicated, it is most respectfully prayed that the instant petition may kindly be allowed and impugned sections 51B and 51(1) of Elections Act 2017 may kindly be declared unconstitutional, void, without lawful authority and of no legal effect. Alternatively, it is prayed that section 51B of the Election Act, to the extent of the expression list of officers provided by the government or a provincial government therein, may kindly be declared unconstitutional, void, without lawful authority and of no legal effect. Further, the Election Commission may kindly be directed to initiate consultation process with the Honorable Chief Justice of the High Courts for the appointment of judicial officers as DROs and returning officers under section 50 and 51 of the Elections Act for the general elections. Moreover, it may kindly be declared that in general elections cannot be conducted in fair, transparent, free and impartial independent manner in presence of DROs and ROs from the executive branch of the state.
कभी भी चैलेंज कर सकते थे पहले भी.
It has been there for the 6 years.
जब ROs अपॉइंट हो गए तो उनको सब याद है.
We are at the verge of issuing the.
ये एक सेकंड, ये लॉ कब बना है?
2017, my lord.
Last
6 years.
Last elections कब हुए?
2018.
On the basis of
this section 50 and 51, they
Last
were
election में जो DROs थे वो
judicial officers थे. This was the first time.
नहीं, judicial officer तो नहीं थे.
जुडिशियल ऑफिसर्स थे जो DROs है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर्स है, वो तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट जुडिशियल ऑफिसर्स से रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर्स भी जुडिशियल उससे लिए थे. ARO जो है, इट वाज अ मिक्स फ्रॉम.
पर ये आप हम पे जबरदस्ती तो नहीं कर सकते हैं. इसमें लिखा है फ्रॉम द जुडिशरी, subordinate judiciary in consultation with the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court. So how can somebody impose it? Suppose even you write to the Chief Justice, then it's his discretion whether he wants to spare a judicial officer or officers or not.
Yes. In fact, what we did was, we did write to all the 5 honorable Chief Justices of the High Courts, different letters.
Are they on record?
जी, they are on the record.
दिखाएं.
कब लिखा आपने बताइए?
The first one is the Lahore High Court. It's at page 208. Letter was dated 1st of February 2023, in February, my lord. And there was a clear regret.
Where is it?
The regret?
It's at page 208. There are 2 letters of Lahore High Court. The reply is at page 210 of the paper.
So you wrote as far back as 1st of February?
Yes, my lord. Because the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab was...
फिर बताएं फिर कब है?
फिर my lord, 210 पे, 210 पे, page 210 पे letter of regret है.
जरा पढ़ दें.
जी my lord. मैं take your lordship to 211 पे.
नहीं, regret में जो reasons दिए हैं as we speak.
जी, there was a shortage of judicial staff and all that.
पढ़ लेना.
It's para 2.
Para 1.
जी जी.
Para 2-1.
Para 2-1. As we speak, a huge number of cases totaling 13,12,480 are pending adjudication in the courts of district and session judge, additional district and sessions judges, senior civil judges, and civil judges throughout Punjab. And if services of majority of these officers are given as district returning officers and returning officers at the disposal of Election Commission of Pakistan, this pendency will mount to by manifold, and the ultimate sufferers will be the poor litigants, resultantly hampering the entire scheme and system of dispensation of justice at the grassroots level, and this cannot be afforded compromise at the cost of delay in justice and aggravating nuisance of the human right.
But if this letter is already in the field, then the petitioner does not want elections.
मैं उसमें अर्ज कर देता हूं.
If the Chief Justice, the Lahore High Court, the others have also declined or not?
Out of 5, the Islamabad High Court did not respond.
जी.
We wrote in September and October to all the others. The Peshawar High Court said कि go to National Judicial Policy. आप वहाँ से जाके clarification लें. They did not agree to accede to our request. Balochistan High Court initially agreed, but later on the learned registrar said कि no, we cannot provide. This was as near as 2 weeks back. And Sindh High Court, just like Lahore High Court का एक और superseding letter है, वो मैं अभी पढ़ता हूँ. They said कि नहीं, जब आप election program issue करेंगे फिर हमें request भेजिएगा. तो इलेक्शन प्रोग्राम तो बिल्कुल एट द वर्ड्स आता है. हमने AROs और DROs की ट्रेनिंग तो पहले करनी है.
वो तो पहले होती है.
अच्छा, नहीं तो फिर इसका मतलब है कि your first choice was
judicial officer,
but the high courts did not agree.
Did not agree.
And for valid reasons, because you hold election and the litigant then suffers. And
that 1.5 months.
There is also another aspect, because I remember the elections when we did give judicial officers, and this was, I think, when I was Chief Justice of Balochistan, then the allegations invariably, and we also do judicial work, then the same matter may come before us in a judicial forum, because election tribunals are also judicial officers. Yes. So it could be argued that, this is a job, we have a clearly separation of powers of the executive, the judiciary, the legislature. We forget one important pillar, which is the election commission. But it's not a part of the executive, it's not a part of the judiciary, it's on its own.
We are a federal institution, but our constitutional body on its own, not under any.
Yes. So your choice was not, the first choice was not, you didn't appoint yourself.
No, my lord.
You asked the judiciary.
We were constrained.
And the judiciary, basically in Punjab, there is a clear-cut no.
clear cut no. उसके बाद in October
Then
there was another letter.
Then I'm just thinking, how can the learned judge suspend an order? He will issue a writ against the High Court.
That's one of our grounds.
No. Then the learned single judge has passed an order,
The single
and
judge.
he will direct what the Chief Justice to provide officers. When can a writ be issued against the High Court? So what sort of relief do they want, or they don't want elections? Where is this, Mr. No, where is this, Mr. Niazi? I mean, if one person is going to hold Pakistan to ransom, I mean, he's just one individual, and he says, "I'm so and so."
No other political party has come forward to challenge this.
Political parties, political parties in the business of elections. So why would
they want an election?
And this one political party says, "I don't want elections." But it was the very same political party whose petition I decided.
Yes, we have attached that 3rd of November's order along with this petition.
But usme to the election, why didn't they say those things then? It was represented before us, if I remember correctly, by
Ali Zafar.
yes,
Mr. Ali Zafar was representing Pakistan.
There was no such demand or suggestion, and we kind of got the order. This appears to be, I don't know if it's bona fide petition or not.
My lord, in fact, with due respect to the learned single judge, there is not even a single ground which says it's ultra vires. Which provision is ultra vires of?
Where is
My lord, the order starts at page 10.
Let's read the operative part.
Page 12, my lord.
Page 12?
At page 12, para 4.
No, ये तो legally under challenge है. But what have they?
These are the discussions.
Can you read paragraph 7?
My lord, then we go to the speaking part, which is para 7 and 8.
नहीं 7 पढ़ें.
7. Keeping in view the importance of the legal interpretation of the constitutional provision having legal effect deeply connected to the raised national issue.
Where is the constitution provisions? There's no constitution.
There is no. The whole order is silent as to which.
I don't know. Let's read it further.
Having legal effect deeply connected to the raised national issue, office is directed to place this file before the Honorable Chief Justice for constitution of a larger bench. Page,
but he is not passed in an order.
My lord, these are the reasons. Para 5, 6 and
8 फिर क्या कहते हैं?
8 is the suspension order. Notice, meanwhile, the notification dated सारे के सारे 11 December 2023 issued by the Election Commission of Pakistan appointing the DROs, ROs, assistant returning officers from executive shall remain suspended. Shall remain suspended. So there is a complete.
One second, I fail to understand. If a judge is passing an order for constitution of a larger bench, then judicial propriety demands that he stays his hand. Yes. Now, how can then he pass an order? Either he passes an order and doesn't say the matter be placed before the Chief Justice. Then the Chief Justice has been given a fait accompli. You do what I ask you to do.
In fact,
either you request the Chief Justice of the Constitutional Larger Bench, or you don't make this request and you just proceed with the matter.
Yes, my lord.
So, has the Larger Bench been constituted?
It has been constituted for Monday.
Who is heading the Larger Bench?
The very honorable judge.
The same judge?
The same judge.
2 other judges.
5-member bench.
This is very strange. What is the purpose of this petition?
In fact,
no, let's look at logically.
My lord.
Now, who have you appointed? Have you appointed people of some political party as ROs or DROs?
No, my lord.
Who have you appointed?
These are a mix.
एक पे चलते हैं ना.
My lord.
There are 4 notifications. Let's take the first one.
Notifications are at page 27.
One at a time करें.
My lord. It starts at page 27, my lord. Their notification.
This is for DROs.
These are DROs.
11th of December.
Notifications all across the country have been suspended.
It's all across the country.
In Sindh and Balochistan also.
My lord, this notification is across the country.
How many DROs in the country? कितने DROs appoint हुए?
Per district, every district.
कितने हैं? Total कितने हैं सारे?
85. This is.
अच्छा ये पहला वाला देखिए. अच्छा I'm told it's 144.
It gives the total number, my lord.
ये इन्होंने शायद हिसाब लगा लिया.
ये जरा कैलकुलेट कर लें कि DROs और AROs टोटल कितने हैं ऑल Pakistan.
Total is 148 DROs.
नहीं total ARO
All over the
DROs all over Pakistan कितना है total figure?
EROs is 148
148
और ROs कितने?
AROs हैं ROs हैं
चलिए आप इनको हिसाब लगा के देखें, ऐसे बातें ना करें, कागज के
टोटल
टुकड़े
फिगर दे
करें
देना
ना।
हमें टोटल फिगर
गिन के बताइए।
859 ROs.
अच्छा नहीं, हम जरा इनके नाम देखना चाहते हैं किसको आपने अपॉइंट किया है।
My lord.
ये रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर पेज 27 पे कौन है ये लोग?
नहीं पे
पेज 27 पे आपने पहला बताया ना ये।
this is the reserved seat वाला
पढ़
notification.
तो देना कौन है DROs, किसके ये रिश्तेदार
These
हैं?
are from our own offices.
पढ़ देना, डेजिग्नेशंस पढ़ दे, नाम ना पढ़ें।
Mohammed Freed, Additional Director General Elections 1, Election Commission of Pakistan.
तो ये तो चैलेंज भी नहीं हुआ और सस्पेंड हो गया
ये तो सारे आपके अपने
ये तो
लोग हैं।
हमारे अपने हैं।
तो ये
हमने
तो चैलेंज ही नहीं किया पिटिशनर
नहीं किया है।
उसने तो खाली कहा था कि सिर्फ जो एग्जीक्यूटिव्स
There was a CM file, उसके अंदर उन्होंने कहा कि ये वाला भी इंक्लूड करें।
इवन दो द वायरीज इज ओनली
तो फिर
चैलेंज
आप भी इलेक्शन ना कराएं, एग्जीक्यूटिव भी ना इलेक्शन कराएं,
कौन
कमीशन
कराए?
ऑफिसर भी ना इलेक्शन कराएं, तो
will the
एक्चुअली
election
ऑब्जेक्टिव इज नॉट टू होल्ड इलेक्शंस देन।
That is prima facie the
Mr.
intent.
Swati, the varies of section 51B has been challenged.
My lord.
This is under A.
यस
ये तो चैलेंज ही नहीं हुआ ना।
or these all have been suspended.
ये तो आपके अपने दफ्तर के मतलब अपने इलेक्शन कमीशन के लोग हैं।
जी, this notification जो कि रिजर्व सीट फॉर वुमेन के लिए है वो हमारे ऑफिस।
अगला वाला पढ़ें।
नेक्स्ट इज पेज 29 पे।
अब ये कौन है DROs?
ये DROs है जी, मोहम्मद इरफानुद्दीन,
नाम नहीं बताएं, डेजिग्नेशन बताएं।
डिप्टी कमिश्नर अपर चतराल।
तो ये तो सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स हैं।
जी, सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर।
तो ये इसमें तो आपने, हम देखना चाह रहे हैं कि क्या आपने कोई पिक एंड चूज की है?
No.
ये तो आपने
We in fact
एक सेकंड, ये सारे इस पेज पे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स हैं, दूसरे, तीसरे,
उसमें भी
चौथे,
डिप्टी कमिश्नर।
पांचवे, छठे, ये तो सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स।
all are deputy commissioners.
तो DROs are deputy commissioners.
They are the
तो
deputy.
इसमें आपने कोई मतलब ये नहीं
There is
कि
no picking.
एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट से एक को लगा दिया, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट से दूसरे को लगा दिया।
No. DROs are all deputy commissioners of the relevant districts.
माशाल्लाह। तो अब तीसरा नोटिफिकेशन कहाँ है?
तीसरा नोटिफिकेशन है जी पेज 39 पे जी।
39?
39 पे my lord. It's 11th December. Additional Deputy Commissioner General Upper
ये भी
Chhatral.
सारे आपके एडिशनल कमिश्नर।
Additional Deputy Commissioner. Without any discrimination. बल्कि when the
नहीं तो आपने कोई पिक एंड चूज नहीं किया।
No.
They were posted as
They were posted, already posted. In fact, जब हम the caretaker government came, we issued a directive के shuffle or the appointees जो कि पिछली वाली governments के थे या वो सारे, and all the deputy commissioners and the higher administrative machinery was shuffled, actually shuffled. So these are actually
when was
working.
that? When was the shuffling?
ये डिफरेंट टाइम पे होती है, ये फरवरी से शुरू हुई हुई है शफलिंग करवाने, क्योंकि प्रोविंस ऑफ पंजाब द इलेक्शन हैड टू टेक प्लेस एट दैट टाइम।
Who is the gentleman barrister Umair Khan Niazi?
My lord, he says he is the general secretary.
Has he attached any authority from the party itself?
No, there is none.
It's just one
He's just one individual.
One individual person has come and challenged the notifications of all Pakistan DROs.
Sabotage the whole
Is he
process.
related to, because the word is Niazi, is he related?
I have no idea, my lord.
I don't know.
That's no concern, but
And who have been, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, इनको भी पार्टी बनाया हुआ है।
जी, उनको भी पार्टी बनाया।
उनका क्या काम है इससे?
President, because the president had announced the date.
तो फिर बेसिकली दे डोंट वांट इलेक्शंस टू टेक प्लेस।
Want elections to take place.
The president and the election commission together, if I remember, वो हमारा ऑर्डर किधर है जो हमने पास किया
That
था?
is at page 3rd of January 224, my lord.
हाँ?
2 to 4. Page 2 to 4
2
of the petition, my lord. And the speaking.
इसमें तो पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ इज वन ऑफ द पिटिशनर। इसमें तो हमने वाजे तौर पे लिखा हुआ है, पेज पैराग्राफ 18 में पढ़िए
जी मालूम, पैरा 17 your lordship.
पैराग्राफ 17 या 18?
Para 17, it starts at para 17 and
18 पढ़ रहे, वो तो जरा पूरी हिस्ट्री दे रहे।
18 is the President of Pakistan and the Election Commission have announced the date for holding of general elections to the National Assembly and the provincial assemblies. The federal government, the provincial governments and the Islamabad capital territory have concurred. The matter of holding the general election on 8th February stands resolved. No one should now put forward any pretext to derail democracy.
No, but shall we issue a contempt notice?
Exactly.
No, isn't this word clear? No one should now put forward any pretext to derail democracy.
Democracy. The timing is very important.
Sorry,
madam.
this is Barrister Umar Khan Niazi, then this is a violation of the Supreme Court order.
It's a violation of my clear
And this
statement by
petition is entertained and interim order passed, and then larger bench is constituted, which is again headed by the same judge.
Your Lordship. And so much so, there is a clear verdict, 12-member bench, कि provision of the law till it is actually declared. It's not as in case कि आप उसको ऑपरेशन नहीं सस्पेंड
लॉ
कर
को
सकते.
छोड़ दीजिए, हम आइन पे चलते हैं ना.
Your Lordship.
आइन में आप ये किसका काम है इलेक्शन करवाना?
Election Commission.
कौन सा प्रोविजन है?
218 and 19, my lord.
218 and 19.
And 19, my lord.
मिस्टर स्वाति, while we read this, ये जरा बताएं कि पिटिशनर ने क्या कहा कि ये तकरीबन 1000 आदमी बन रहा है ना?
जी.
Something like this.
जी.
1014 बंदे
1014 बंदे जो हैं, इसमें से क्या इनके बारे में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
ये कह रहे हैं जी कि एमपीओस के ऑर्डर भी यही डीसीज पास कर रहे हैं, वो तो अंडर द लॉ उन्होंने ही
नहीं,
पास
तो
करने.
ये सारे के सारे मतलब चलिए
सारे के
आपको
सारे
नहीं
हटा दें और
देखिए,
judicial
आपको
officers
हो
लगा
सकता है ना कि ये मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में आपने खास बंदा लगा दिया है.
वन ऑफ
चलिए,
होता तो शायद यू कुड हैव एंटरटेन्ड दैट कि जी एक बंदा बायस्ड है.
यही मैं सवाल आपसे पूछने वाला हूँ. इस पिटीशन से फाइल करने से पहले उन्होंने आपको कोई दरखास्त दी, बराए करम ये कर दीजिए?
नो माय लॉर्ड.
स्ट्रेट अवे हाई कोर्ट.
स्ट्रेट अवे हाई
कह रहे
कोर्ट. और अभी 5 दिन पहले
1014 जो भी लोग हैं, ये सारे वो क्या कहते हैं पिटिशन में? दे आर बायस्ड.
they say कि they belong to the machinery of executive और executive के ऊपर हमारा ट्रस्ट नहीं है.
ये
तो इसलिए जुडिशियल साइड से होने चाहिए.
नहीं तो फिर वो ये भी कह सकते हैं हमें जुडिशरी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं है. उनके कहने से क्या होगा?
In any case, this is part of the law, which somebody could have challenged, and as pointed out earlier
Last 6
elections have
years.
taken place.
Yes.
तो इस तरह, और कब शुरू हुआ है ये, कब अपॉइंट हुआ और कितनी ट्रेनिंग हो गई अभी तक? What has happened?
My lord, 11th of December को ये पॉइंट हुआ है
और अभी तक
और 3 दिन हमने ट्रेनिंग. There were 7 days training. 3 days training took place. Then we had to halt the training in compliance with the interim
तो ये
order.
बताएं कि
why you hold it?
Because the notification was suspended.
नोटिफिकेशन सस्पेंड हुआ, ट्रेनिंग तो सस्पेंड नहीं हुई थी. अगर उनकी ट्रेनिंग हो जाती तो क्या फर्क पड़ना था?
ये ऑर्डर कब पास किया इन्होंने?
ये कल पास किया 13th को, परसों.
And when was the election program due?
आज
15th.
को. ट्रेनिंग एक दिन हुई है सर.
है जी?
ट्रेनिंग सिर्फ एक दिन हुई और 7 दिन की ट्रेनिंग थी.
इधर कोई पीटीआई का कोई है? नहीं, हम मुझसे समझना चाहते हैं ना भाई वजह क्या थी ये करने की.
नहीं देखें, अब ये भी तो देखें, वो बंदा इंडिविजुअली कर रहा है, नाम वो यूज हो सकता
नाम use
है,
करे.
तहरीक इंसाफ का नाम यूज करता
doesn't have any authority of
हो.
any
कौन
party.
लोग हैं जो नहीं चाहते कि इलेक्शन हो?
यस.
ये बताइए, इसके बारे में बताएं. कौन लोग हैं जो इलेक्शन नहीं चाहते? इस तरह ओपनली कौन कह सकता है कि नहीं? और फिर हमारे ऑर्डर के खिलाफ जब हमने कह दिया कि इसको कोई नहीं डिरेल करेगा, तो कौन डिरेल कर रहा है? पीछे कौन है?
February. We don't know, my lord. This is very strange kind of intervention, I would say. Contrary to law,
देखिए,
the timing is very
तो but this
precarious.
constitution पे आप बता रहे थे whose responsibility it is to hold elections.
Election Commission, my
Which is that provision?
218 and 219, my
तो
lord.
फिर मेरे ख्याल में जज साहब ही इलेक्शन करवा लें. फिर आप तो क्या उनको कह दें वही इलेक्शन करवा लें. मतलब यू नो आई सॉरी वी आर वेरी क्लियर. आपको याद है जब आपकी पिटिशन ये चल रही थी हमने कहा आपका काम नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं करेंगे. It's your
अब आपसे मगर हम आपका काम करवाएंगे आपसे.
बिल्कुल.
बहुत फर्क होता है दोनों चीजें में.
बिल्कुल.
तो फिर मेरे ख्याल में आप अब ये सॉरी दिस इज आई एम रियली सरप्राइज ऐसे ऑर्डर्स पास हो रहे हैं जुडिशरी से. किधर है वो आपका कौन सा प्रोविजन है?
218 का 3 and 219 का D. 218 3 218 का
Swati, in their petition before the High Court, what is the precise allegation against the 1,000 people? क्या है इनको प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
They generally attack it कि एग्जीक्यूटिव जो है फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन नहीं करवाएगी.
As a concept.
As a concept, not any individual.
But not at this stage when the election process has begun.
Has
ये
begun.
सारा आपके पास टाइम था, आप लॉ को चैलेंज करते जो मर्जी करते.
More than 6 years, these two provisions had been on the statute book, and the timing is very precarious. Just
ये अटॉर्नी जनरल को सुना
एडवोकेट जनरल को जी सुना एडवोकेट जनरल को अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफिस को
Were you called for?
the additional attorney general was
No, yourself.
Gee, notice was under 27A, notice was issued, but the additional attorney general had appeared.
You didn't appear.
I did not.
Why?
To be honest, I was not aware of this petition. I only came to know about the order when the order was passed in the evening, day before yesterday.
late in the evening.
That's a very serious statement you're making. The Attorney General of Pakistan was bypassed.
I was in the Supreme Court.
If the judge is there, he should first of all ask, where is the Attorney General of Pakistan? I'm going to pass such a very strong order. He should have asked, where is the Attorney General? Call him. Then they could have sought time or whatever. But the office in the Constitution is not of the additional.
That's right.
It has a very straight, clear demarcation. There is no constitutional provision of additional Advocate General. That's by the law.
That's by law.
The Article 100 of the Constitution says Attorney General of Pakistan. Did he solicit advice from you? The additional, sir, I've received this notice. What do you want me to do?
So he did speak with me, and my instructions were to oppose the petition, and which is duly recorded in the order.
No, but आपने कहा आपको बाद में पता चला.
मुझे उस दिन सुबह उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि इसमें अब
किस
क्या
दिन
होना है? When the order was passed, the morning.
नहीं, but ये नोटिस तो पहले दी गई थी. तो पहले क्यों नहीं पूछा उन्होंने?
ये उस वक्त मैं उसका
It was on a day-to-day fixation, my lord. 13 से पहले एक दिन पहले भी फिक्स हुआ. 12 को हुआ, फिर 13 को हुआ. अगले दिन very next day it was.
अच्छा, अगर ये कल बलूचिस्तान पिटीशन फाइल हो जाती है, वो पंजाब के रोक देते हैं, सिंध वाले खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के रोक देते हैं.
जी.
It's very strange.
जसवाती ये बताएं कि ये जो पीरियड है 7 days का ट्रेनिंग है
7 days.
and then the program election program kicks in on the 15th. आप जो होना था नॉर्मल टाइम्स में जो
नॉर्मल टाइम में आज
प्रोग्राम आना था
and we were going to continue it in parallel to the issuance of the election
and
program.
when is the actual job of the DRO RO in the program that comes into action?
That's the last date for filing of the nomination.
मतलब
लेकिन वो पहले दिन से शुरू हो जाती है because on the very
nothing
first
much
day.
has gone wrong in the sense that they can get back to some sort of training and
हम 3-4 दिन पीछे चले गए हैं but we are very tightly
training
fixed
training पे short हो गई.
जी जी.
लेकिन I remember not the last elections when I was Chief Justice of Balochistan. We had conducted the court till 2:45 in the morning. So these matters on the 11th hour, a petition is filed. Not the 11th hour, beyond. And now you are in that danger zone where fallout will be delay of elections.
Absolutely.
They were waiting and seeing till that point of no return comes, then file the petition. And doesn't the learned judge realize all these things? Has he assumed the responsibilities of the Election Commission of Pakistan? Would it constitute misconduct on the part of the judge?
In fact, it was.
If he's violating an order of the Supreme Court.
In fact, it was also highlighted.
Please assist us.
जी, my lord.
ये नहीं जो मर्जी you wear a gown and then pass any order you want to.
You cannot. When they under Article 189, the learned judge is bound by the.
He's not only passed an order in the territory of Punjab. He's passed an order for the whole of Pakistan.
Notification. All four the set of notifications have been suspended.
आपने इसका कोई जवाब दिया था वहाँ पे? इसका पिटीशन का कोई जवाब दिया?
No, my lord, there was none. 12 को फिक्स हुई है और 13 को दोबारा उन्होंने कहा जी कि आके आर्ग्यू करें.
I think the best course for the judge was to say that the matter they should approach the Supreme Court in the light of the earlier
In the light
order.
of the earlier order,
Especially the notification is outside the territory of the Punjab.
Very, very true. Hello.
Attorney General, does it constitute misconduct?
My lord, I have to go through the code of conduct, but if there was a Supreme Court order,
provision of the Constitution.
clear provision of the Constitution,
Does he
there is a
refer to
Supreme
an
Court
order?
No, it does not. And there was a Supreme Court order which
No, he doesn't refer to the order.
It does not.
He doesn't refer to a constitutional provision.
No, my lord.
He passes an order beyond the territory of Punjab.
So appears, my lord. And my friend has just informed me that the learned additional attorney general, my additional attorney general in Lahore, actually argued this point.
No, we may even issue contempt notice to the petitioner. I mean, he's a lawyer. He pretends to be a lawyer at least. How is he acting against the order? If he has a grievance, come to the Supreme Court. We pass the order. He claims to be representing a political party. On the basis of their petition, we had ordered elections.
That's right, man.
So what is this?
That's right.
So there are two things. One is that perhaps the best course would be that because there was a matter pending here, a direction had been given by the Supreme Court. The best course was for the High Court that take the matter to the Supreme Court.
That's
one. Number two, the notification is such that it covers all the provinces.
That's right.
So one High Court dealing with one province cannot deal with that. There is a judgment also which in a CSS matter, the idea was to go to the Supreme Court because you can't upset. I mean, you're actually upsetting the other provinces who don't want to.
I believe there's a division bench judgment of my lord was heading the division
That's right.
bench.
When the CSS exam was challenged, and they said if one province will do it, it will affect the entire exam for all the other provinces. So suppose people sitting in Balochistan and Sindh would like to go ahead, they are also affected. Sara dysfunctional ho gaya.
The notifications have been suspended throughout.
Attorney General, is he the same judge who had passed that order in the electricity petition? 1,600 or 1,100 petitions came before us.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, this is not on. You have to stay within the confines of the Constitution. We take oath to abide by the Constitution, the law. And Article 189 is bound on him, on all courts. I mean, he's really upset our order. He's sort of disregarded our order. I mean, he doesn't even refer to it. He says suspended. His own Chief Justice saying that I can't spare judicial officers because I got 13 lakh cases in the province. So there'll be a writ issued against the Chief Justice. No.
Can't be.
Sorry, this is not on.
What's the possibility? Could you just assist us? I mean, there was an earlier order, and the entire election is being, there was a direction that 8th February ko hoga, and Supreme Court has passed orders that no step would be taken to derail.
Yes.
So, what is the possibility that if such a case has been filed, that is to be brought before the Supreme Court? Could that case be taken away from the High Court and brought here?
There are past precedents, my lord.
So that it is heard at one place for the entire country?
Yes.
Why should we give a relief to a person who is a contemner? I use the word contemner because he is derailing democracy.
That's right.
Why should this person hold Pakistan to ransom?
It's actually an individual.
It's an individual, my lord. That's what
I'm inclined to, I don't know, I'll consult my colleagues to issue him contempt notice.
Once you get the petition here.
क्यों उसकी petition को entertain कर रहा हूँ? These things are happening.
Mr. Swati, जरा 51(1) पढ़िए जरा.
This is relating to the 51(1) में फिर ARO और RO of the judicial.
51(1) जो है वो it deals with the.
इधर चेक करें, ये लॉयर नहीं है, ये बैरिस्टर उमेर खान नियाजी.
He is an advocate, sir. He's an advocate of High Court, yes.
Yes, you know him?
Yes.
Which is he alone, firm with some firm or what?
My lord, he had previously served as a law officer, as an additional advocate general in Punjab, but he was associated with Tehreek-e-Insaf. He was president of, as it is written in the memo of the petition. Also, he served as the president of the lawyers wing of that party.
He's not a young man then.
He's about as old as I am, so.
That's young enough.
So a young man.
Somebody, he's not like in his 20s.
No.
That on his exuberance, he files a petition not realizing what he's doing.
My lord, 51(1) provides for consultation with the Chief Justice for appointment of the judicial officers.
51(1).
51(1). The Commission shall, in the prescribed manner, appoint from amongst its own officers or officers of any government or corporations, autonomous or semi-autonomous bodies controlled by any government, or from the subordinate judiciary in consultation with the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court, a returning officer for each constituency. This is the provision which has been.
अगर 51(1) को कोई कोर्ट अल्ट्रा वायरस डिक्लेयर कर दे तो क्या कभी इलेक्शन हो सकता है?
नहीं. Then we we have no other power.
50 को छोड़ देते हैं, 51 को अगर मुकम्मल अल्ट्रा वारिस कर दें तो ये इलेक्शन कभी भी नहीं हो सकता।
भी नहीं हो
फिर डीरेलिंग करना कहना, आप ये कहें कि इलेक्शन ही नहीं कराना चाहते।
Election नहीं करवाना चाहते।
तो ये तो इन्हें पिटीशन ग्रांट कर दी रहा है, क्या किया फिर इसमें?
This is the main relief granted at the interim stage, which is also unconstitutional, unlawful.
अच्छा, आपके पास कोई दरखास्त नहीं दी?
No, my lord, no, my lord. There was nothing of this sort ever agitated anywhere in the whole.
देखिए, हो सकता है कहीं गलत हो गया हो, किसी का भाई वगैरह को अपॉइंट कर दिया एज आरओ, चले हो सकता है।
No, इंडिविजुअल का अगर किसी एक की करे
वो कहेगा जी आप ये बंदा गुनाह है, दूसरे को लगा दो, हम लगा देंगे।
1,500 बंदा ही बायस थे इनके अगेंस्ट, और इनके अगेंस्ट नहीं, जस्ट अगेंस्ट वन इंडिविजुअल। Probably he might be contesting from one constituency. आप उसके हद तक करें अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है। Come to us, we will look into it.
वो ये भी नहीं बता रहे कि उस ऑफिसर में प्रॉब्लम क्या है।
No,
They're saying कि एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव नहीं हो।
एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट, चूंकि हमारे अगेंस्ट एमपीओज के ऑर्डर्स किए हैं डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स ने, तो इसलिए जो हमारे अगेंस्ट पार्टीज हैं। दिस इज द एलिगेशन।
ये बताएं कि आरओ और उनके खिलाफ कोई किसी को कोई बायसनेस हो तो आपके पास उनका आने का कोई है लॉ?
जी,
कौन सा लॉ है? कौन सी सेक्शन है कि उनको आपके पास आना चाहिए कि ना कि डायरेक्ट में जाना चाहिए? अगर रेमेडी आपके पास थी तो वहाँ आए नहीं आए? आपके पास नहीं है?
They've never approached us.
तो है कोई प्रोविजन बताइए?
It's 50. No, not 55. It's 55 का 3 है। इलेक्शन एक्ट का 55 का 3 जी। The commission 55(3). Section 55, subsection 3. The commission may, at any time, for reasons to be recorded in writing, suspend or withdraw any election official, a public servant.
कौन सा पढ़ रहे हैं?
55, section 55, subsection 3, my lord.
Yes.
The commission may,
ये
at
तो
any
पावर
time, for
है।
reasons.
तो आर्टिकल 199 जरा पढ़िए आइन का, ये तो वही मार खा जाएगा।
जी। Alternate remedy.
Last time the same learned judge passed the same order. कितना नुकसान पहुंचाया है पाकिस्तान को?
Sir, I think the total was few hundred billions. I don't remember the exact number, but few hundred billions actually.
वो बिजली वाले
500 billion or something. About 500 billion.
Then again नेपरा को उन्होंने बाईपास करके ऑर्डर कर दिया।
Subject to the Constitution, a High Court may, if it is satisfied that no other adequate remedy is provided for law. There's a rider, adequate remedy is there. और in fact, ये assessment के कोई biased है या नहीं है, वो भी किसी कोर्ट ने नहीं करना।
ये खुद या तो
वो इलेक्शन कमीशन ने करना है। Through their long arm of the people, they work under election commission, because we have got people even at the lowest strata.
लॉन्ग आर्म तो लॉ की होती है आपने।
Of the election commission पे वो भी
थोड़ी कम कर लें।
तो शॉर्ट आप कर लेते।
वायलेशन ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट।
It's 204, my lord.
नहीं, वो तो आर्टिकल है ना,
Article 204. And section 3 of
ये
the
तो जुडिशियल कंटेम्प्ट हुआ ना।
And section 3 of the contempt of court.
जरा पढ़ दें आप, जरा दे दें इनको किताब। हद हो गई।
But you can get back onto the rails.
अच्छा, आपने शेड्यूल क्यों नहीं अपॉइंट, अभी तक आपने शेड्यूल क्यों नहीं दिया है इलेक्शन?
मतलब आज देना सिविल, because
नहीं, आज आप देंगे
ट्रेनिंग के बाद। ट्रेनिंग के बाद हम
नहीं, इलेक्शन शेड्यूल की बात कर रहा हूँ।
शेड्यूल इलेक्शन प्रोग्राम जो है, we had planned it after the training, और
Training can still continue on the
Where is the
side.
schedule? Show me the schedule.
I don't have the schedule.
ट्रेनिंग तो आपने रोक दी।
ट्रेनिंग कुछ और चीज है, शेड्यूल
कह रहे हैं कि आप उसका शेड्यूल करेंगे, इसमें कोई बात तो नहीं है।
शेड्यूल किधर है आपका?
Schedule we can bring, we didn't bring it here.
बताएं ना,
No,
schedule
we
दिखाएं।
wanted
We
it
were going
today.
to issue the schedule
Today.
It must be ready somewhere, lying somewhere, ना? तो दिखा दें।
Who is the gentleman behind you?
He's the secretary election commission.
जी, तो
It
ये
had already been drafted. It's all.
You'll issue it today?
No, let them bring it.
Your Lordship, the idea was to issue the schedule right after the training, which is,
Why after
What's the
the
connection between the two?
that was what the commissioner decided, that they will issue it
No,
right
but
after the
Mr.
training.
Umar Hamid, you would have,
There must be some connection.
and you must have drafted a program तो बन गया होगा ना आप इंतजार तो नहीं कर रहे
इस दिन नॉमिनेशन पेपर देना है, इस दिन ये करना है,
जी,
तो
वो
इस दिन ये-
section 57 के तहत, you know, you
Where
go
is that
backwards.
schedule?
That schedule is counted 54 days
where
backwards.
is the schedule
We have it, sir. We
show it to us
We have the draft.
No, when will you issue it?
It was supposed to be
When will you
right
issue
after the
it?
training, sir.
right after the training.
When will you issue it?
Originally, sir, it was supposed to be
When will
from
you
13
issue?
to 16, the training. not
When
the-
will
Wait, please, if you're going,
As your lordship
if
pleases.
you, if they are going to mock the law, is the election commission is going to mock the law, show us the law which says schedule will be issued after training is completed. Refer to that provision.
No, it says simultaneously.
Show us that provision.
training can go on the side that is just a
Training can
capacity
go on till
building,
the
उसका तो
election
मुताल्लिक
day,
नहीं है।
you can continue training
It
people.
says simultaneously with the.
Where is the law which says
Section 52,
training
ma'am.
of officers?
So Mr.
It's
Swati, you have not read this to the election commission earlier.
No.
This section 52 of
It says the simultaneous
हाँ,
section
तो फिर इनको
52.
बताइए
It can go parallel.
52 exceptional circumstances में
जी।
अदरवाइज
months
आपके लिए
prior.
आप जो कह रहे हैं शेड्यूल की लाजम है कि हम पहले ट्रेनिंग करेंगे, ये कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? ये कहीं भी नहीं लिखा हुआ, तो बताइए
Lord is
ये
correct.
क्यों कह रहे हैं?
60 days in ordinary circumstances
Simple.
before the election program.
हाँ.
Since delimitation was
आज 8 फरवरी को अगर बैकवर्ड्स करें तो आज कितने दिन रह गए?
today is the 55th day.
50?
5th day, 55 दिन आज. कल से 54th day,
आपको मिनिमम कितना चाहिए?
54 days.
तो you have to issue the
You
schedule
have to issue the schedule today.
today.
Yes.
Today.
या तो फिर सबको बुला लीजिए, फिर आप भी वायलेट कर रहे हैं अपना लॉ.
नहीं, so we were going to.
Are you making a definite statement you're issuing it today or not?
अभी
We have your schedule ready, issue it.
Hey, if you are so keen on elections, why are you backing off now?
we're not backing.
I mean, training, Mr. Umar Hamid also, training is just a capacity building which will continue. एक दिन लेट होगी, 3 दिन लेट, आप ट्रेनिंग करा दें, रात को एक्स्ट्रा करा दें.
So the idea was, if you allow me, sir, the idea was that we will complete the training between 13 and 16, and 16 पे करेंगे.
Fair enough, but that doesn't happen.
Now what has happened is that we've gone a little, like 4 or 5 days ahead.
4 days.
So that was the idea of the commission. If you allow the
देखिए,
commission,
आप एक मेरी बात
Sir.
सुनिए. आपको आरओ और डीआरओ की जो एक्चुअल जरूरत है इस प्रोग्राम में, शेड्यूल में, तो अभी आगे जाके ना कहीं.
नहीं, आगे नहीं, आगे नहीं.
When is the first time they're required to work?
क्योंकि
schedule.
नॉमिनेशन, द लास्ट डेट फॉर नॉमिनेशन हमने शेड्यूल में देना है.
कब है?
अगर 57(2) का ए देखे ना,
आप बताएं, डेट बताइए ना. How many days do we have from today to that first assignment that DRO has to perform?
that's the 6th day from the issuance of the election program. ये 57(2) का ए लिखा हुआ है.
Right.
तो
So you
पहले
you've already
दिन भी
done 2
5th
days.
day, फर्स्ट डे पे, वेरी फर्स्ट डे पे भी नॉमिनेशन आके सबमिट हो सकते हैं.
तो ठीक हो गया ना. अभी 1-2 दिन की ट्रेनिंग होगी, आपने 4-5 दिन की और ट्रेनिंग करानी है, करा लें. उसका तो कोई मतलब you can
और
do a
ट्रेनिंग
compact
किसी ने
training.
रोकी नहीं है. देखें,
That
आप
can be
ट्रेनिंग
pushed.
ब्लाउज आपने रोकी है, ट्रेनिंग को जारी रहने देते, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. ये तो खाली उसकी हद तक था. आपने पता नहीं क्यों रोक
I've seen that.
दिया. आप भी नहीं चाहते कि नहीं होना इलेक्शन. बेसिकली इसको आप तो देखो, अगर आपने करने के लिए सीरियस लिए हैं तो आप उसको कैरी ऑन करें.
Very nice.
असल में नोटिफिकेशन माय लॉर्ड वाज सस्पेंडेड, तो इस वजह से वो एज अ नेचुरल
अब
कॉन्सिक्वेंस
अगली
इन
बात सुन
कंप्लायंस.
लीजिए. नोटिफिकेशन सस्पेंड हुआ, आपने भी कोई नोटिफिकेशन जारी कर दी है?
suspension of the notification of the appointments, which is the ipso facto of what the court
आपने क्यों किया है? Why?
आपने क्यों किया?
Why you issue the notification for suspension of? आपने क्यों किया? आपको कहा था कोर्ट ने कि आप ये करें?
सर, जब आरओजी सस्पेंड हो गए तो फिर नोटिफिकेशन.
आरओ सस्पेंड हुए हैं, फर्ज करिए अभी हम उसको विड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, आपका तो नोटिफिकेशन रहेगा, वो इन फील्ड रहेगा ना.
Immediately we will, sir,
Why you immediately? Why you issue it?
तो in
Who had said so?
that was done in compliance of the suspension order.
भाई compliance
हमारे लिए तो
भाई
the
compliance
best course
किधर
was to
लिखा
come before this
किधर
order.
लिखा हुआ है compliance करें? किधर कहा है कि आप इशू करें? उन्होंने सस्पेंड कर दी, सस्पेंड हो गए, खत्म.
Suspended.
Why
Suspended,
you
so we
issue?
had to
Why you issue? आपने क्यों इशू किया?
my lord, we
In compliance of
I think that was being unnecessarily. जब एक कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर ने सस्पेंड कर दिया तो आपको सिर्फ कहना है कोर्ट ने सस्पेंड किया हुआ है जी। मतलब I think you just did an extra thing which is not required in
there
law.
was a confusion because everybody was calling us up and asking us, so we had to, in compliance, deference to the court order.
due deference to the court order हमने जो है
ये भी नहीं लिखा हुआ,
It has affected us
ये भी नहीं लिखा हुआ।
negatively. It has affected us negatively.
कंफ्यूजन नहीं है, कंफ्यूजन इस रिमूव नहीं होती जैसे आपने रिमूव की, कंफ्यूजन तो थी, ऑर्डर लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है।
we got the order
You know, there are notifications suspended by courts usually. Doesn't mean that FBR issues another notification saying now then all of my notifications suspended. ऐसा तो नहीं होता. I think this
but
is just
in
an
due
extra
deference
thing.
extra care में
Totally
जाके in due
unnecessary
deference.
exercise जो आपने की।
So may I just respectfully submit, whenever there is an order by any court,
Yes.
then whatever actions we have already allowed to go on, we hold those in abeyance. And when the court or the higher judiciary gives us another order, then we restore it accordingly. That was all. Whenever there is, for instance, if there are delimitation cases, because our own people are on the ground, they have to be given some orders by the commission also. That was the reason.
लिखें। अच्छा, आपने स्टे भी मांगा है। The stay application number is 10612, in case you want it. We'll correct the order. I'm pretty exhausted by now.
My apologies, my lord.
No, it's good that
Need
you
of the
come.
hour,
It's not your fault. This petition for leave to appeal assails the order of a learned single judge of the Lahore High Court, Lahore, dated where is the order gone? Page?
Page 10, my lord. 13th of December.
Page?
10 पे
13, 12, 23।
10 पे
13,
13
22,
13/12/2023
23. Full stop. The impugned order was passed on the writ petition filed under Article 199 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, within bracket, Constitution, bracket close, wherein the Election Commission of Pakistan, wherein the two petitioners before us and 8 others were arrayed as respondents. All the petition sought the prayed for he sought a declaration that sections 50 within bracket 1 bracket close within bracket small b and 51 within bracket 1 within bracket closed of the Elections Act, 2017 was unconstitutional, void, without lawful authority and of no legal effect. The two provisions which had been assailed are reproduced hereunder. The petition further prayed. the said provisions Section 50 pertains to the appointment of district returning officers by the Election Commission of Pakistan, bracket mein kar dein ECP, and Section 51 of the appointment of returning officers and assistant returning officers. Full stop. The petition stated that instead, it is submitted by Mr. Sajil Shehryar Sawati, learned Karne, representing the petitioners, that the stated two provisions of law have been part of the Elections Act and subsisted at the time when the last elections were held. Until date, no one has taken any exception thereto. Full stop. It is further submitted that this court, right, video italics mein kar dijiyega, its order, where was that order gone?
224 page.
Huh?
3rd of November.
The page?
2 to 4. 224. It's 3rd of November.
Right. Judgment dated 3 November 2023, tending to a number of constitution petitions filed in this court, wherein the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, within bracket PTI, was also one of the petitioners oblique appellants, had sought that a date for holding of elections be announced. Full stop. Pursuant to the notice being taken by this court, the President of Pakistan and the ECP met and decided that general elections should be held on 8 February 2024. Full stop. The federal government, the provincial governments, and Islamabad capital territory, all of whom were represented before us, concurred. This court held that, word commas begin, no one should now put forward any pretext to derail democracy, word commas closed, bracket mein kar dein, paragraph 18 of the said judgment, bracket close. Full stop. The Learned Council submits that to enable elections to be held, to ensure elections are held on 8th of February, the certain number of days are required to do the different acts which the law requires prior to the holding of the said elections. And the passing of the impugned order at the 11th hour, if it remains in the field, would make the holding of elections on 8 Feb would not permit the holding of elections on 8 February 2024. Full stop. It is further stated that the ECP had drafted the schedule for elections. What do you call it? Program for elections. Election program. What is it?
Under which section?
57.
Had drafted the election program, capital E, capital P, which it was intending to announce today. But the passing of the impugned order has made this passing of the impugned order, that if the impugned order is sustained, this will not be possible, as without having district returning officers and assistant returning officers, election cannot be held. First off, he further states that the learned judge acted in undue, that the learned judge has effectively decided the petition. That there is an inherent contradiction in the impugned order, because where is the impugned order page?
Page 10, my lord.
Because in paragraph 7, he states that this file states, inverted commas begin, to place this file before the Honorable HON''BLE, Chief Justice for the Constitution of a larger bench, capital L, capital B, inverted commas closed. And at the same time, in the successive paragraph 8, he suspends four notifications issued by the ECP, particulars whereof are as under. ये numbers ले लीजिएगा, उसके लिख दीजिएगा.
My lord, actually,
Please sit down. Who are you? You are dictating an order. Please sit down. Seems to be no respect for anybody anymore. Next time you do it, we'll hold you in contempt. Who are you, a lawyer? Where have you studied? Please go and sit at the back. I don't know what's happening, what sort of education is being imparted. Supreme Court is dictating an order and she comes and stands up. Is she with you?
She's not an advocate of this court, shouldn't have addressed the court.
I don't know.
No, is she with you?
No, we don't know.
The first, which respectively appointed 8 returning officers for the seats reserved for women and non-Muslims, 144 district returning officers for elections to the National Assembly and Provincial Assemblies, 266 returning officers and assistant returning officers. You'll be National Assembly and Provincial Assembly for elections to the National and Provincial Assemblies, and 593. ये क्या चीज है? 216 national कर दें, 593 returning officer and assistant vice of provincial assemblies for elections to the provincial assemblies. As such, altogether 1,011 district returning officers and returning officers have been have stopped working off kar dein. Their working has been stopped with the stroke of a pen by the learned single judge. The learned single judge also did not fail to appreciate that the officers that have been appointed were to perform functions throughout Pakistan, and in passing the impugned order, the learned judge acted well beyond the territorial jurisdiction of the High Court. To stop. As if this was not enough, the very opening words of Article 199 were disregarded by the learned judge, insofar as it stipulates that when there's an alternate adequate remedy available to the petitioner, the same should be availed of first. We are informed that Section 55, subsection 3 was such a remedy. If the petitioner had a grievance against any particular returning officer or officers, may be inquired from the petitioners whether any application was submitted before the ECP under Section 55(3). That is availing of the alternate adequate remedy, and we were told that this was not done. The petitioner states that he is an office holder of the very same political party, that is PTI, which was before this court when the said judgment was passed, wherein no such concern as expressed in the petition filed before the High Court was stated. Full stop. The petitioner also claims to be a barrister, and as such is expected not only to be well conversant with the Constitution and the laws of Pakistan, but to have read the judgment of this court, which had clearly stipulated that any attempt to derail democracy would, what is the line exactly? Where was our judgment? 224?
Lord, it's at page 231, paragraph 18 at page 231, the last line of paragraph 18 at page 231.
That no one would, no one should be allowed to, on any pretext, to derail democracy. Full stop. One individual as, however, one individual appears to have done just that, and it is indeed a matter of considerable regret that he claims to belong to a political party. And has served in such political party And we are told that he served as an additional advocate general when the said political party was in government. Full stop. We, in view of the conduct of the petitioner, we call upon him to submit an explanation why action for contempt of court should not be initiated against him for judicial contempt.
My lord, it would be civil contempt, my lord, this disregarding of the court order under section
For क्या उसको कहते हैं? नहीं, for contempt लिख देते हैं वो for
under the contempt order.
for contempt under the contempt of court ordinance, 2003, read with article 204 of the Constitution. Stop. Stop. The learned judge, acting in undue haste and at the 11th hour, that we saw the list, that the learned counsel went through the list of returning officers appointed pursuant to the 4 notifications and stated that they were all, that in one of these notifications pertains to the officers of the ECP, whereas the remaining 3 are all serving government servants who already were holding their respective positions and have not been put in place for the purpose of this election or on anyone's behest. Stop. The petitioner, the petitioner before the High Court also, learned counsel further states that the initially the ECP had pursuant to section 51, pursuant to
50 subsection 1 clause C and 51(1).
And 51 within bracket 1, written to the Chief Justices of the 5 High Courts and requested them to provide judicial officers for the upcoming elections, and not a single one of the Chief Justices agreed to do so. He has referred to a letter issued by the Lahore High Court, which specifically stated that वो लेटर किस पेज पे था?
Hello, 211 to 10 से 211 210
2010
6th of February.
नहीं वो आपका नहीं, the reply.
Reply 210 to 211.
Emphatic reply was given that no judicial officers can be spared because there are over 1.3 million cases requiring adjudication.
approximately.
About 1.3 million cases requiring adjudication, and delaying and provision of such officers would result in the tendency to increase and of which the ultimate sufferers would be the litigants. Full stop. Under such circumstances, for the petitioner to insist on judicial officers to be provided would effectively mean that a writ be issued against the High Court, which is not permissible under Article 199.
Clause 5,
Clause
sir.
5.
199, Clause 5, sir. But this is the Chief Justice.
And in this regard, place his reliance upon the case of Gul Tez Khan Marwat. यही है ना?
You have to come to the Supreme Court.
And versus Registrar Peshawar High Court, PLD 2021, Supreme Court 391, which was a judgment by a farm member bench of this court. इसमें हमने क्या किया? इसमें कहा कि रेगुलेटेड नहीं है हाईकोर्ट के अगेंस्ट. हाँ? That becomes a wonderful thing.
The only remedy in such a case, according to this judgment, is to approach this court.
And it was held therein that since the only remedy, that if at all there was any remedy, it would be to approach the Supreme Court of Pakistan, which judgment appears to have also been disregarded both by the petitioner as well as the learned judge who passed, the learned single judge. Full stop. Under the circumstances, it would be appropriate to we hereby direct that
What's the number of the petition?
The High Court petition, it's
writ petition number 80828/2023 be what? Be called from that the High Court should not take any further proceedings in WP number 80828/2023, and the same be placed before and the same be sent to the Supreme Court, and if it is deemed necessary, this court will fix it for hearing. For this court, first off, in view of the fact, ordinarily, this court does not pass. It does not suspend orders without issuing of notice, but in view of the fact, but in view of the fact that the impugned order has come into direct conflict with the judgment of this court, and as the petition as filed appears not to be maintainable, we are doing so. Full stop. Impugned order also comes in the way of the Election Commission to proceed with its duties and responsibilities, constitutional duties and responsibilities for the holding of elections as mandated under the Constitution.
What can we do?
The Without further delay, order में suspend कर दिया ना? कर दिया?
देखा है?
हाँ? Accordingly, in the given circumstances and considering the constitutional and legal stipulations and the judgments of this court, the impugned order is hereby suspended and full stop. The Election Commission we are informed that the Election Commission had prepared the election program which was supposed to be issued today, and in view of the impugned order, it had not done so. However, since the impugned order has now been suspended, the Election Commission shall issue the election program today. Today, tonight, kya?
Today.
Yes, you please.
अभी 3 घंटे
As we please, or as the law mandates.
You should be saying that आपने ये करना है ना.
ये नहीं करना तो बता दें.
We are all ready as per your directions.
हम तो नहीं कहेंगे, हम आपसे अपना काम करवाएंगे. या आपके हमें काम करना नहीं आता है. जो आप कहें, हम कभी किसी को नहीं कहेंगे, उससे काम करवाएंगे उसका.
Without fail, we will issue the election program without fail.
The undertaking is given on behalf of the Election Commission that the election program will be issued today. सुन लिया आपने?
और वो भी कि वो जो आपने नोटिफिकेशन किया था
12 बजे
उसको भी आज विड्रॉ कीजिए, वरना तो नहीं चल सकेगा ना. वो विड्रॉ
वो नोटिफिकेशन कहाँ है? The notification of the election a notification issued by the Election Commission of Pakistan pursuant to the impugned order of the High Court is also suspended.
Yes, sir, हम
नहीं वो आप करेंगे नहीं. अभी Election Commission of Pakistan states that since the impugned order has been suspended, it will be ECP will be withdrawing the क्या नाम है इसका notification dated 14/12/2023 का कोई नंबर भी है?
नंबर बता दे.
Notification number F2 of ये page 234 पे लगाओ.
35. हाँ, 34 and 35. 34.
34 and 35.
इलेक्शन
34 and 35.
नहीं ये नहीं है
234 पे
234 पे ये नंबर लिख देना, इसका नंबर शंबर और डेट भी लिख दीजिएगा.
दोनों नेक्स्ट पेज पे भी है.
नाउ
235 पे भी है दोनों. सेम डेट, इवन डेट.
तो इसमें नोटिस किसको करें हम? 234
Notice to the respondent.
एंड पेज 235 दोनों पे लिखे.
दोनों पे
नोटिस हम किसको करें?
ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
बाकी को क्या करने की जरूरत है?
Respondent number 1.
Respondent number 1.
वही पिटिशनर था ना. Issue notice to let notice of this petition be issued to the petitioner before the High Court, that is respondent number 1 herein.
My lord, we will resume the training on Monday onwards. This is what the Learned Secretary is saying. Because you and
You have tomorrow. Why are you missing out tomorrow?
May I just submit?
No, please don't. Just do the law, abide by the law, hold
So
election.
may I just submit if you allow me, sir? So it's a huge logistical exercise. All the DROs, ROs will have to be brought to the venues. The venues have been cancelled. We have to, just the delay of.
नहीं हमें देखिए
Monday का सिर्फ हम शुरू.
हम कुछ नहीं लिखेंगे
Sir,
हम ना कल का लिखेंगे ना मंडे का लिखेंगे आपका जो काम है आप करो
करेंगे.
आप देखिए हम आपको माइक्रो मैनेज नहीं करेंगे
Thank you very much.
हम मोटी मोटी बात करेंगे आपने कहा जी हम इलेक्शन करना चाहते हैं 8 को
जी इंशाल्लाह.
हमने तो नहीं कहा आपने कहा है ना आप और सदर साहब ने मिलकर के तयन कर लिया कि 8 फरवरी को करना है हमने कहा आपको इलेक्शन 8 को करें हमने आपको कहा क्या ठीक है जब आपने ये काम कर लिया जो भी चीजें वहां तक जाने के लिए करने को हैं वो आप करें कल को आप कहेंगे जी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये कर दिया सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने वो कर दिया और हम ये नहीं कर सके तो वो नहीं कर सके भाई जो कुछ करना है करें अब आपके सामने एक मसला था रुकावट थी वो रुकावट और वो मसला हमने दूर कर दिया अब आप अपना काम कीजिए हम लोग अपना काम करेंगे और अगर इजाजत दें तो मैं फिर छुट्टी पे जा सकता हूँ
My Lord, just
Have a great vacation, sir.
just detaining you for 30 seconds. Notice may also be issued to the federal.
Oh yes, a notice we also issued to the Federation of to respondent number
5, my Lord.
5 as well as notice under our Order 27A of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 to the Attorney General. Advocate General को भी करने हैं and the Advocate Generals of the 4 provinces. इस्लामाबाद का कौन होता है
वो भी है
होते हैं but
एडवोकेट जनरल कहते हैं
फेडरल लॉ है तो वो
एंड इस्लामाबाद कैपिटल टेरिटरी चलिए anything else gentlemen
highly obliged. Apologies once again for
no it's not your doing you are before us but we must at least I must compliment you for being so thorough in a very short period of time and which is always a pleasure to have counsel who are ready with their case particularly at such छोड़ो में पे ऑर्डर पर करिएगा ठीक है हाँ हाँ वो वाली ग्रांट कर दें वो एग्जेम्पशन वाली ठीक है
and also my lord may also wish to grant the leave and then the leave may also be granted because it's a CPLA so a leave has to be granted.
Okay the points points now you can see I'm very tired the points raised above in क्या होता है leave is granted to consider amongst others the noted points
notice
Thank you.